Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about banner setup from promotion management. Now we are on the admin dashboard of DriveMond. From the admin dashboard, we will go to the banner setup of promotion management. Then we click here. After clicking, we can add a banner here by clicking Add New Banner. We can see the existing banners here that we have. Which ones are active here and which ones are inactive here. So in the case of adding a banner, we can write what percentage off we want to give and what we're offering to the customers. We can write in the banner title. We will give 20% off here. Then we click on the banner image and select the image that we have selected. Our promotional banner is done. Now, we write to the short description that what can the customer get from us. We can write here that unlock your deals with DriveMond. Then we've to give our redirect link. After that, if we don't want to limit the time, we don't have to click it. And if we want to limit the time, then we can change it by clicking period. We can select the starting date here. If we want to give it a later date from today, we can select that date also. Then when we actually want to end this, we can select it. We keep it for a week. Let's just submit it by clicking here. After submitting, we will see the banner here. After that, we can active or inactive this. We can active it again. We can also delete this. That's all for today. Thank you.